So you ever wonder why some people have certain things and you don't? And we're not talking about the exact same things, just talking about things in general. Maybe like a successful job or something like that. You ever wondering why you don't have it but they do? Do you think that our Creator loves them more than you? Have you been able to comprehend the difference? So the only difference is your belief. So now this person may be unconsciously thinking about success, but they're thinking about it because the law still applies. So for example, if you don't know what gravity means and you jump, your butt's still coming down. So the law is that your thoughts create reality. And whether you are actually consciously and deliberately using this law, it's happening to you regardless.